What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Mr. T-Shirt, back with another one. Now, this video is for those of you that's been contemplating starting your first T-shirt business. You're definitely going to want to sit through this video because I'm dropping some gems that's going to help you guys make this happen. So let's go. Now, how many of you have designs or ideas and would love to make a little extra money on the side, or simply are just ready to start your own T-shirt business, but just don't have the funds in your budget to get what you need to get it started? Well, you clicked on the right video because I'm going to give you 2 merchants that will approve you for credit as long as you have a 600 or better credit score. Depending on how strong your credit is, depends on how much they approve you for, so there is no set amount. This is how you're going to start to purchase your equipment and everything else that you need to start up your business. Now, if you're approved, I'm not telling you what to do with the money, but just remember, it has to be paid back just like any other credit card or line of credit. So I would start purchasing that equipment ASAP. Okay, so both of these merchants we both know and are familiar with and probably already use in our day-to-day transactions or sales. The first merchant is PayPal. Now, for those of you who don't know, PayPal offers a credit card in which most can get approved for, and again, this can happen in minutes. So let's jump over to the computer and see how to apply. PayPal.com site, you're just going to type in PayPal.com, and if you don't have a PayPal account, you can sign up for one right here in the upper right-hand corner in the dark blue. Now, when it comes to applying for the PayPal credit card, you want to go to Personal. All right, you're going to have a drop down that says PayPal, credit, and credit cards. All the way at the bottom here, you're going to click on that. It's going to bring you to this screen where it says PayPal cards and credit products. Now, right here, this little button here, that's just so you can get the PayPal app. And you're going to scroll down to the bottom and where it says PayPal credit. Buy now, pay over time. It says learn about PayPal credit, no interest if paid in full in 6 months on every purchase of $99 or more. All right, interest will be charged to your account from the purchase date if the balance is not paid in full within 6 months. Minimum monthly payments is required, subject to credit approval. Just like any other credit card or line of credit. So now at the bottom here, you have the apply now button. You're just going to click that. It's going to bring you to this screen now of your PayPal credit. And here it's just saying the same things. Interest will be charged from your account, blah, 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 subject to credit approval. Now, before you click the apply button, I would recommend you read the offer details and the terms of conditions. Okay, now this terms of conditions shows you the interest rate at which you'll be paying if you do not pay back your balance within 6 months. All right, whatever it is that you use. Now, again, the amount that you will be approved for is all based on the strength of your credit score. Now, I do believe, if I'm not mistaken, the minimum credit line that they will start you with is $250, if I said that right. Let me read it here. If approved, we will start you off with a minimum credit line of at least $250. So if you have the credit score that is just meeting the threshold of which you can get approved, I'm assuming this is the amount that they will offer you. And as time goes on and your credit improves, chances is you'll be able to increase that line of credit. All right, so you want to make sure that you make your payments back on time. If you can pay them off within 6 months to avoid that interest, you want to do that as well. All right, so now we click on apply now. For me, it's not going to really go much further because I already have a tongue twister. I already have a PayPal credit card or line of credit. If you have a PayPal account already, currently, it's going to bring you to this screen. You simply just log in. Okay, now, as I said, it's not going to take me much further. It's probably going to give me a message. Yes. See, it says good news. You already have a credit line. But for those of you that don't, this is where your process will begin. You'll type in all your basic information, your name and your address. your social, all the things that's required when you apply for a credit card. Once you hit submit, you fill out all the information, you hit submit, they'll begin to process your information, and within minutes, you will have a decision on whether you were approved or not approved. Again, chances is if you have at least a 600 credit score, you will be approved for the PayPal credit card. Now, the second merchant is another familiar one as well, and that's Venmo. Similar to PayPal, Venmo also offers a credit card. For those of you that don't know, PayPal is a parent company of Venmo, and Venmo offers cashback rewards, and something I like to use it for that maybe some of you guys are into is to purchase my cryptocurrencies automatically. I'm not sure about the PayPal card because I don't really use it too much, but I know the Venmo card is a virtual card, meaning you don't have to wait to receive the actual card in the mail in order to start using it. It's automatically uploaded into the Venmo app, so once you're approved, you'll choose your card, color, and design, and have full access to start purchasing stuff with that new card number. So let's jump over and let's take a look at the Venmo site. Come to the Venmo site, type in venmo.com. It's going to bring you to this home screen, the Venmo home screen. And again, if you're not using Venmo, a lot of people don't use it, but if you want to download Venmo, just go up to the right-hand corner here where it says Get Venmo. Again, I suggest that you get Venmo. It makes the process a lot easier when applying for this card and also helps you access your virtual card once approved. All right, so now you come to this screen. You're going to scroll down past Pay Friends. And you're going to get down to where it says Earned Customized Cash Back. Click on Learn More. It's going to bring you to this screen where it says One Credit Card, More Ways to Venmo. Sign in and apply. Like PayPal, if you already have PayPal or you've already have Venmo, you're just going to sign in here, fill out the other instructions, your name, address, social, so forth like that, all that basic information. Hit submit. Again, you're going to get an approval. Once you're approved, in Venmo, they're going to ask you to colorize and customize your card or style it however you'd like. You're going to approve that, and automatically your card will upload into your Venmo application. So you then go into your Venmo app, and you will see your Venmo credit card in the application next time you access it, and it's ready to go, and you can start purchasing your equipment for your t-shirt business. So it's not going to let me go in any further because, again, I already have a Venmo credit card. All right, so when you log in to your Venmo, it's going to say here, explore the colorful world of Venmo credit card. You're invited to apply, earn smarter rewards with no annual fee. Now it tells you here again, if approved, use the Venmo app to access your virtual card and reward details, statements, and more. You may also need the app to finish your online application. So in here, you're going to go to Apply Now. It's asking you get started in the app. Okay, and this screen here may be different, being that, like I said before, I already have a virtual card. So you're going to have to fill out your information and apply for the card in order to have this pop up in your application. All right, so pretty much the same process as the PayPal credit card. Just want to follow, go on to venmo.com, look for their Venmo credit card, apply, submit your application, and again, within minutes, you should have a decision from Venmo on whether you're approved or not approved. And if so, if you do get approved, now make sure to head over and start purchasing the equipment that you need for your t-shirt business. Now, as I promised you guys in the beginning of the video, I'm going to give you guys a few vendors on where to get equipment from. The first one I'm going to be starting with is heatpressnation.com. All right, this is what the site looks like. You're just going to go on. They have everything that you need. They have heat presses, vinyl cutters, heat transfer vinyls, inks, supplies, sublimation stuff, sublimation blanks, and Heat Press Nation is where I get all of my heat presses from. It's where I got my heat press, my mug press, and also my cap press. All right, so great company, great support. You can get online with them and chat with them if you have any questions, concerns, or you can shoot them an email. They're pretty good with getting back to you on the emails. Their customer service, as I said before, is excellent. All right, another company that I'm going to introduce you guys to is one of my favorites, if not the favorite, ECONOtransfer.com is where I go and get all of my vinyls from. Heat transfer vinyls, specialty vinyls. I like using ECONOtransfer. They have great turnaround times. All right, here also, I don't know why my computer's running so slow today. Might be the weather. Come on. All right, and then once you register with these guys, you just put in your email and your phone number, you get 10% off of your order. Now you have HTVs, heat presses, gift cards, and a whole lot of other cool stuff. This is your one-stop shop when it comes to all types of vinyls that you want. You want flex, flock, glitter, holographic, metals, prints, puffs, regular HTV vinyls. They have sample packs, specialty vinyls, all right? And they also show you how to apply these vinyls to your different garments, all right? Another great company. And here's my favorite site for heat transfers. Not heat transfer vinyls, heat transfers. Supercolor.com. Super fast, super easy. It's Supercolor. All right, so now on Supercolor's website, this is a site where you upload your artwork and they pretty much take care of the rest. You upload your artwork to their website, they get it, you give them the dimensions and all the specifics on how you would like it printed, and they save you the trouble of weeding out, buying vinyl, and then still having to press it onto your shirt. All right, they make it easy. You upload your designs, they provide the transfers for you, and they mail them out to you within a couple of days. You have them, you just grab your transfers, and you're ready to just press and go. Another great one, all these sites can be found down in the description and the links below. Use my affiliate links for any of these that you see and that you may want to use. Next site is Heat Transfer Warehouse. Heat transfer vinyls, equipment, okay, printables. They even have clothing blanks, presses, easy weed, custom stuff, custom blanks, all right, stuff for any of your projects. All right, so these are all the categories here. You got equipment, printables, sublimation, adhesive vinyl. So when you say adhesive vinyl, actual like vinyl that you can make decals and so forth with. All right, clothing. And then they deal with all the top brands: Sizer, Thermoflex, Wallacut, Supercolor, Sawgrass. All right, so definitely another reputable company or vendor to get your materials and equipment from. And again, all of these links are in the description below of this video. Please feel free to use my affiliate links, as using those links provide me with a small commissions, which help me to be able to provide you guys with knowledgeable information just like this. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps it up for this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to tap that notification bell, because like I said before, I drop gems like this all the time. It's been your boy, Mr. T-Shirt. Thank you guys for watching. Peace. Situations getting worse.